pick up this Victory Red certified 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 33,654 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.